Admire. Verb. Verb forms. Present simple. I, you, we, they admire. He, she, it admires. Past simple. Admired. Past participle. Admired. ing form. Admiring. 1. To respect somebody for what they have done or to respect their qualities. Examples. Admire somebody, something. I really admire your enthusiasm. Her work was much admired by critics. You have to admire the way he handled the situation. Actually, I greatly admire and respect him. Admire somebody, something for something. The school is widely admired for its excellent teaching. Admire somebody for doing something. I don't agree with her, but I admire her for sticking to her principles. Extra examples. He is widely admired as a journalist. I couldn't help but admire his determination. I rather admire him for his determination. She secretly admired and envied him. What do you most admire about her? You can only admire her courage and determination. You have to admire the dedication and commitment. I really admire her courage. You can't help but admire the dedication and commitment. 2. Admire something to look at something and think that it is attractive and or impressive. Examples. He stood back to admire his handiwork. I've just been admiring your new car. Let's just sit and admire the view. Word origin. Late 16th century. From Latin admirari, from ad, at, plus mirari, wonder.